lumbering across icy beaches and diving into the frigid depths of the ocean. The elephant seal is one of nature's most extreme marine mammals, with their massive size, remarkable diving abilities, and intense breeding battles. Elephant seals are true survivors of evolution. This is the story of the insane biology of the elephant seal species built to endure cold, hunger, and brutal competition. Elephant seals belong to the family Facida, the true seals, which emerged on the evolutionary stage around 20 million years ago. Imagine their ancestors, smaller, semi-aquatic predators, hugging the coastlines, feeding on fish and squid. But as the oceans changed, so did they. Over millions of years, natural selection sculpted a new kind of seal. It favored larger bodies for warmth, powerful diving abilities to reach new food sources, and a social structure built on absolute dominance. This evolutionary journey split them into two distinct species. The northern elephant seal, Mirunga angustirostris, patrols the Pacific coast of North America, while its southern cousin, Mirunga leonina, claims the remote, wind-swept islands of the subantarctic. AH species, a testament to adaptation, carved its own niche in some of the world's most unforgiving marine environments. To understand the elephant seal, you must first grasp its sheer scale. They are giants. An adult male or bull can weigh over 4,000 kilograms, that's more than 8,800 pounds, stretch up to 6 meters, or 20 feet, in length. In contrast, the females are significantly smaller. This extreme difference between the sexes, known as sexual dimorphism, is one of the most pronounced in the entire animal kingdom. But this isn't just for show. A male's immense size is his greatest weapon, giving him a decisive advantage in the violent battles that define the breeding season. This evolutionary strategy is ruthless but effective. It ensures that only the strongest, most powerful genes are passed on, reinforcing the traits that have made the species such a formidable survivor. Beyond their size, their most astonishing trait lies hidden beneath the waves. Elephant seals are masters of the deep. They are among the deepest and longest diving marine mammals on the planet, capable of reaching depths of over 1,500 meters, nearly a mile down, and holding their breath for up to 2 hours. How is this possible? Their biology is a collection of incredible adaptations. First, they are living oxygen tanks. This allows them to carry their breath with them into the abyss. Second, their bodies are built to withstand crushing pressure. Their rib cages are flexible, designed to collapse under the immense weight of the water column, preventing catastrophic injury to their internal organs. Finally, to make every molecule of oxygen count, their bodies enter an extreme state of conservation. Their heart rate slows dramatically, sometimes to just a few beats per minute, a process called breath. This combination of adaptations unlocks a world that is inaccessible to almost all other air-breathing animals, allowing them to hunt squid, fish, and other deep-sea prey in the perpetual darkness of the ocean's twilight zone. In these pitch-black depths, their hunting strategy is a marvel of efficiency. They dive silently, conserving energy. Instead of relying on sight, they use their incredibly sensitive whiskers, or vibrissae, to detect the subtle water movements created by their prey. Each whisker is a sophisticated sensory tool, allowing them to map their dark world and hunt with lethal precision. Their entire life is a cycle of movement, guided by evolution. Energy-efficient dives, lightning-fast lunges at prey, and epic migrations spanning thousands of miles to follow the ocean's most nutrient-rich currents. This solitary life at sea is punctuated by a dramatic return to land, where their social behavior becomes one of nature's most spectacular and brutal dramas. Elephant seals are famous for their chaotic breeding colonies, where massive bulls fight with primal ferocity for the right to reproduce. A single dominant bull, the alpha or beachmaster, will ferociously defend a harem that can number up to 50 females. The air is filled with their deafening roars, guttural threats that echo across the beach. Fights are violent, physical contests involving chest-to-chest collisions, powerful body slams, and vicious bites to the neck, often leaving scars that serve as a permanent record of their brutal careers. Meanwhile, subordinate males, known as beta or satellite males, patrol the edges of the colony, constantly testing the alpha's defenses, waiting for even a momentary lapse in vigilance to seize a chance to mate. This intense, hierarchical society is the direct result of their extreme sexual dimorphism, a system evolved to maximize reproductive success in a species where the stakes are life and death. Survival for an elephant seal means enduring a life of extremes. They spend months at sea, facing the biting cold of polar waters and the constant threat of predators like orcas and great white sharks. Both the breeding and molting seasons are periods of intense fasting, where they can go for months without eating, relying entirely on their stored energy. Their secret weapon is a massive layer of fat or blubber. This thick blanket provides insulation against the cold buoyancy in the water, and most importantly, a massive energy reserve. It is a remarkable evolutionary solution that allows them to withstand these harsh conditions and fuel their long, arduous migrations across the open ocean. When we look at the elephant seal, we are seeing the product of evolution pushed to its biological limits. Their gigantic size provides thermoregulation and underpins their entire social structure. Their unmatched diving physiology gives them exclusive access to deep-sea resources, and their complex violent social system is a brutally efficient engine for reproductive success. They are a powerful illustration of how natural selection can forge a species perfectly optimized for survival and reproduction in the most challenging environments on Earth. The elephant seal is a living marvel, a creature of immense size, unparalleled diving ability, and extraordinary social complexity. Millions of years of evolution have sculpted a species capable of surviving extreme cold, prolonged hunger, and the fiercest competition, allowing it to thrive where few others could even exist. The elephant seal stands as a profound testament to nature's power, resilience, and ingenuity, living proof that extreme biology can create some of the most impressive and awe-inspiring animals on our planet. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of the elephant seal. If you were as amazed by these incredible animals as we are, please hit that like button and subscribe for more stories from the wild frontiers of biology. We'll see you on the next one.